Hey everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So what we're doing is a self-stick wallpaper, kind of how to do your first piece. I'm just doing a small piece just to kind of give you an idea of what we're doing. So the paper itself is printed. This has just this is the pattern this one has. They have the NFL ones, the NBA ones, they have florals. There's all kinds of self-adhesive wallpapers now. You want to make sure you get a good one. The cheaper it is, the worse it's going to be. The cheaper it is, the more it's going to stretch. So as I'm pulling the backing off of here, the really inexpensive, cheaper versions, as you pull this apart, there's a lot of adhesion to this. You'll actually stretch this paper and making it even more difficult to put on the wall. So I'm just trying to peel off a small piece just to kind of make a tab for it. You can do it another way of put a piece of masking tape, light tack on the top of this to stick it to the wall. But I'm just peeling back a little piece like that. So as I'm heading my first piece, this is one of our sample walls. So as you're putting up your first piece, you just lightly kind of tack it to the wall. And then if this was the straight edge, you just have your straight edge here. And then as you get this one so it's secured to the wall, you're just gonna reach underneath and you're just gonna slowly pull that paper back as you go. You can use different types of smoothies that they have to make it nice and flat too, but this is a nice simple way, really easy, slow, take your time, and then when you get to the bottom, it just pulls off. Some of them are repositionable, like this one is actually a repositioning self-stick wallpaper. So it's nice because I took it off, there's no residue on there, and we've primed this wall several times. It's a training wall, like I said, because if you get it the wrong way or you want to decide you want to move it over, as long as you're careful with it, again, you set the top and then just kind of work your way down the side. And it's a nice, easy way to get it on the paper. So it's nice, you get tired of it, you can pull it off. But that's self-adhesive, get your first piece on. Again, it's a small piece, but it gives you good basic information of how you're getting it on there. If you have other questions about self-stick and how to do it, definitely give us a call. See how we can help you out in your wallpaper installation needs. Thanks.